Everyone, welcome to Function Pilates. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a 5-minute functional warm-up. I'm holding a piece of felt fabric here, and it's going to be used as my slider since I am on hardwood floor. If you're on carpet, you can use paper plates as a substitute, but the video is intended to help elevate your heart rate, elevate your temperature, and prepare your body for any additional workouts you may or may not do after this video. So we'll go ahead and get started here. And we're gonna put 1 minute on the clock, and we're gonna start with our storks here, okay? So arms are out in front of us, hip distance apart. You're gonna bring one knee up towards your chest, and you're just gonna switch here. So find a comfortable pace. It's not supposed to be going super fast or super slow, just something that you can maintain. The things to think about here is keeping your arms out, reaching in front of you. So trying not to let those arms drop past your shoulders, but it's like you're moving your thighs up towards your arms here. We're about 30 seconds in. So again, just find a nice comfortable pace. Again, you're gonna feel like your heart rate is elevating, and that's good. So this video is great to continue to do, every day, every other day to track your progress. Perfect. 15 seconds to go. Good. And just breathe at your own comfortable pace here. Perfect. We're gonna go right into a nice deep squat position. So let's take those legs out nice and wide, okay? And you're gonna go ahead for 30 seconds here. We're gonna bend, and then you're gonna come back up. So really push your hips back, really push the booty back, and keep the weight into your heels. And up, and press. Send the hips back. Good. Keep those knees over the ankles, nice and wide. You guys are almost there. Take a deep breath. And we're there. We're done. Good. So let's find our felt. We're going to go ahead and keep it right next to us here into a lunge. So make sure you have plenty of room behind you here. And we're going to go ahead and begin. So you're going to press it back and then up. Press it back, and then slide forward. So you want to send your weight behind you again to try to keep that knee over the ankle. And you want to squeeze with your left glute in order to stand up. And up. Hands to your hips, whatever feels more natural to you. And think of sliding straight up like an elevator. Take it back and up. You're doing good. And we're almost there. We have about 25 seconds to go. Take an inhale back, take an exhale up. Trying to keep, again, the knee in line with the ankle. Just slide it straight back as far as you go to feel a nice stretch there through the hip flexor. And 3 more seconds. And let's bring it back up and switch it. We're gonna take it over to the side. Okay, and we go. Back and lift. Straight back and lift. Good. Make sure, again, you have plenty of room. Maybe this side feels a little bit more flexible for you, and you're able to take it back a little further, and that's okay. Good. Can you guys feel your heart rate lifting? I can. Good. Press and up. Going straight up. You guys are doing awesome. We're already way past halfway here. And reach. Good. Find a nice comfortable pace for yourself. About 10 more seconds to go. And we have about 2 minutes left here in total. And let's do one more. Bring you back up. Good. Let's give you a break there with those lunges. I'm going to use this box to elevate myself. You can totally do this on the floor. And I'm going to go into mountain climbers. 30 seconds here, guys. Pull one knee into the chest. You can go slow, you can go fast. Stabilize those hips. Good. And breathe. Almost there. 5 more seconds. And come back. All right, we are feeling it. We have 1 minute left to go. We're gonna go right into our side lunges here, okay? So from this position, I'm going to stand on this side. We're gonna bend into a lunge, slide you up. So send your hips back and slide up. Hips back, slide up. Good. So you're gonna feel an inner thigh stretch here. You're gonna feel the outer part of your hip working. Helps to strengthen those hips as well. Nice. And let's do one more. Good. Let's take it to this side. Switching. And last 30 seconds. Up. Send the hips back. Slide it out. See how much more flexible you are on one side than the other. Chest is lifted. Try to keep your neck in line with your body. Good, one more. And up. Good work, guys. I hope you enjoyed the functional warm-up. If you do like the videos, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Share with your friends and family around the world, and I hope to see you next time.